So here's a TEMU purchase, a fast wireless charger that I just purchased. So it is compatible with all QI devices. It charges fast and it's non-slip material design. So it only comes with that charging pad in a small manual, like very small manual. And just to show you, it's USB, so you can, if you have a USB in your car, you can use it. I use this mainly for the car charging, and you can also use it, of course, at home. Make sure when you charge, you are using the right face, because if not, then it's not going to charge. And this is the description in the TEMU website, just if you want to know. So it's just gonna show fast wireless charger, and this is the one that I was talking about. Make sure you charge using this face. It says wireless, like that one. That face of the charging pad is what you'll need to use, because I did use the other side initially and I was wondering why it wasn't working. So make sure you use the correct face of the wireless charger. It works, and it works when I'm in the car. It works when I'm using it with a plug at home. So again, use that face.